morning everyone, it's Anastasia and in this video I'm going to show you my summer morning routine. So pretty much this routine is what I'm doing every day, how I'm getting ready for the day. The first thing that I'm doing in the mornings is to open my window. Sunshine, take a deep breath. Also, I really like to do stomach vacuum every single morning. This is like a muscle exercise. It helps your belly stay, fit and flat every day. So this is what I like to do. And of course, I can't miss my bed. This is what I enjoy to do every single morning. It makes me feeling so productive. And especially that specific day, my room was so messy, so messy. So I tidied my room and ta-da, it's feeling good. And time to clean my face. First of all, I'm gonna get my hair up because hair and water not good. I'm going to brush my teeth and I'm going to wash my face with this amazing cleanser by YOUUU and rinse it off with water, of course. Time for my daily moisturizer, and also is by YOUUU matte, and I love matte moisturizers because my skin is so oily and I need something matte. Hair care time. I'm going to brush my hair really nice and slow. By the way, my PJs are from THANKYOU if you're wondering. I love this thing. This is a bio hair oil. It's the #1 must-have in my life. I'm serious. Time for a little breakfast. First, let's start with the coffee because we are coffee lovers. Every single day I make my own DIY ice caramel latte recipe. This is how I'm doing it. You're gonna need milk, Nescafe of course, or whatever coffee you like, caramel syrup, and you're done. The first step is to make the coffee shot, and this is the way that I do it. You have to take a separate glass, different glass. It's so easy and so yummy, guys. You have to try it. If you try it, let me know in the comments. And also, I'm going to eat some strawberries, so I'm going to unfrozen them and eat them. I enjoy really much doing this every single morning, to lay in the couch, open my laptop, check the comments on YouTube, and check the YouTube in general. I love when I see comments by you guys so much. This is some of your comments. I put hearts on them. And yes, it's time for makeup. Makeup, it's my world. If you want to see my summer makeup routine, comment down below. And the outfit of the day today is this amazing princessy dress. I'm in love. Look at this. And 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put some perfume. This is a Miss Dior Rose and Roses, my favorite perfume in the history of perfumes. And this is something that I really like to do, is to put glitter on my whole body. Look at this, I'm wearing this princessy dress and it's so magical with all the glitters. This is my typical accessories that I put on me every day. Amazing earrings with this little diamond and this pearl. How classy, I love them. Also my ring from Pandora, my Daniel Wellington watch, and this amazing pearl necklace with these stunning glasses. And of course the perfect bag for the perfect outfit is this Valentino bag. I love the way that you put on yourself this cute little baggie. My Gucci 8 sneakers that I made a video unboxing them, if you want go and watch it. And a mini what's in my bag. I have this card holder, these keys with those amazing keyrings, this little unicorn, and those two keyrings from Disneyland, this mini, and this is that is matching with my boyfriend. And of course my lip gloss of the day. That was the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel, comment any ideas that you want to see in my next video. And if you want, follow me on Instagram to, to see my life in general. And I love you all. Bye!